Hi, welcome to our quick tutorial on how to access forms in your Parent Portal account. The Forms section holds important digital agreements, ensuring you stay informed and connected to your child's education. To get started, head to the district website at HTSDNJ.org, and you're going to click on the Resources tab, where you'll find a link under the Parents column to the Parent Portal. Once you get to the sign-in page, enter your login credentials and your password to sign in. When you get into your Parent Portal account, you will find your student that is connected to your account, and you have the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see the Forms section and click. When you get to the Forms section, you will see your student and each form that is linked to your student. To complete the form, simply click on the form that is listed, read over the letter that is attached, and click Yes to give permission. You can fill in the date automatically or select today's date and then click Submit.
You will see a thank you box pop up when your form has been submitted. If you need any additional help with logging in to Parent Portal or filling out your forms, please feel free to reach out to parentportalhelp@htsdnj.org. Thank you. Have a wonderful school year.